Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a booking form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in plugins and you can add a new plugin. Let me scroll down and here you can see this one, WPForms. So you can get the plugin from official website WPForms. You can go here and check the pricing. So after that you can go back. You can also install the free version of this plugin. So after installing this plugin you can go to all forms. Then here you can see I have one form, that is a simple contact form. So now if you want to create a booking form, then let's see how you can do that. So you can also use the pre-built templates. So for example, let me select a simple contact form template and then we will use some fields for the booking form. So now let's scroll down. Let's say makeup services contact form. Now let's go back to the fields. Then we need to add here some fields, so as multiple choice. So let me also add here this one, multiple choice. So let's remove this one. Okay, now you can select date and time. Let me scroll down and here you can see date and time picker. So that's added. So these are the fields that you need to add in your contact form. And if you want to add the form, then you can drag it here. So now contact form is complete, then simply you can click on save button. And if you want to add in your website, then you can click here embed button. Then you can use shortcode this one, then click on cross button and you can add a new page from here. Services booking form. So let's add here shortcode. You can also add from the top here, and you can also add here shortcode, then click on publish button. So let me select Elementor full width. Now let's go and see how the form looks on the front side. Scroll down. So here you can see now user can easily add phone number as well as pick up a service, then select the date and time for the service. So in this way you can easily create a simple booking form in your WordPress website.